Hello, hello, my darlings. We are in our weekly resource folder for 11/16 to 11/20. Let's go ahead and get into the activities for today. We are going to be talking about our first, or well, our only pre-activity actually for CFA 2.2. And that means it's our second quiz, our second paragraph writing for our second unit, which is Raisin in the Sun. Go ahead and go into the Thursday CFA 2 pre-activity. Well, come on, there we go. Into the activity for it. Click on the attachment, and it should force you to open up a document that looks much like this. This is all about thematic analysis, my darlings. Don't forget also that within your purple folder in our class, we have all of your final requirements for both CFAs and your summative available so you can reflect on those in terms of what you need to do and how you're going to be scored. So, back to CFA 2.2. We have the thematic analysis. Remember, thematic is just a fancy way of saying what's the theme. Analysis is a fancy way of saying that we're going to take something big and break it into something small in order to better understand it. And we're going to do that using theme. So, you're going to read, here are our directions. You're going to read these various excerpts from the play that we have. Okay, and they are going to be based on the various themes. You're going to copy and paste text evidence from the excerpt that best demonstrates the theme that is listed above it. Then you're going to write a statement about how and or better yet, why and or how the quote you chose best demonstrates that theme that you were trying to or were asked to discuss. Okay. So, after that, you are going to repeat the process, that same process for all four of them, and then submit the document. Make sure, though, my darlings, something that will be very helpful for you, okay, is to have your play up in those split screens because eventually you're going to have to go back into the play and find your own quote. So not only the split screen of just the play, but also your notes, those scene notes that we've been taking with the page numbers. This is why they are crucial. They come in clutch right now, my darlings. Okay, so first thematic practice element that we have, as a reminder, we did our bell work when we first started this unit over the 4 different things. We've also been taking notes this entire time that we've been reading the play over the 4 different themes. Now, we're going to start with gender inequality. Here you have excerpt from the play where it discusses what we identified as teachers as gender inequality, okay? What you will do is copy and paste the best evidence from that excerpt here, proving that theme of gender inequality, okay? This is the part where you will write your commentary about how or why the evidence you put here best proves this thematic idea. The idea that in this play, there are people that are not receiving equal treatment simply because of their gender. Okay, the last thing that you're going to need to do is find a different piece of text evidence and copy and paste it in here. Again, this is why it's important to have your notes up that we've taken so far as well as the play, because it has to be the specific text evidence, not just what you put inside of your notes. Page numbers, all of that. Do we see why it's so important? Then we get into ethnic inequality. Here, again, you're just repeating the pattern. We've pulled the quote. You're going to copy and paste what best proves ethnic inequality, where people are not receiving equal treatment simply because of their ethnicity and or race. Okay. Copy and paste the best quote from here that we've given you into this section here. You're going to give me commentary about why you think that's the best. It's another way of thinking of it as an argument or a supporting argument. And then here, you're going to find a different piece of text evidence that proves the ethnic inequality that you have found throughout your notes in this play. You're going to repeat again with income inequality. Then you're going to repeat again with cultural differences. Same process over and over. Once you have finished that, hit submit and you are good to go for the day, my darlings. Have a wonderful one.